Your car talks to you every day through lights, sounds, and subtle signs. But what happens when you ignore those early warnings? A strange noise, a blinking light, or even a jerky gear shift could be the start of a big problem. In this video, we're diving into 8 critical car issues you must catch early, before they cost you thousands. From low oil pressure to bad wheel bearings, and even that annoying check engine light, we've got you covered. We'll explain what each symptom means, why it matters, and how you can fix it fast. Before we continue, I want to say thank you to our loyal subscribers for your continued support, and a warm welcome to our new viewers. We're thrilled to have you join us. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, let's jump right into the 8 car issues you can't afford to ignore. Number 1. Oil pressure warning light. The oil pressure warning light on your dashboard should never be ignored. It typically indicates that your engine is not getting enough oil pressure, which is vital for lubricating internal components. Without proper lubrication, engine parts grind together, causing severe and expensive damage. The first thing to do is pull over and turn off the engine immediately. Once the engine cools, check the oil level using the dipstick and top it off if it's low. If the light stays on even after adding oil, the problem may be a faulty oil pump or clogged oil passages. Continuing to drive under low oil pressure can lead to total engine failure. Sometimes, the issue could be as simple as a bad oil pressure sensor. Regardless, have your car inspected by a professional as soon as possible. Early attention can save your engine and wallet from disaster. Number 2. Engine overheating. When your temperature gauge spikes or steam rises from under the hood, your engine is overheating. This can occur due to low coolant levels, a faulty radiator fan, a broken thermostat, or a failing water pump. Driving an overheating engine can warp the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, or seize the engine entirely. If you notice signs of overheating, pull over safely and turn off the engine immediately. Wait for the engine to cool down before checking the coolant level. Never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot, as pressurized steam can cause burns. If coolant is low, top it off with the correct type, and then monitor the temperature. If the problem persists, have a mechanic inspect the cooling system. Preventative maintenance like radiator flushes can help avoid this issue. Number 3. Master brake cylinder failure. The master brake cylinder is a critical component that converts the force from your foot on the brake pedal into hydraulic pressure. If it starts to fail, you may experience a spongy pedal feel, longer stopping distances, or even total brake loss. These symptoms mean the hydraulic pressure isn't being properly maintained, making driving extremely dangerous. Brake fluid leaks, internal seal failure, or contamination can all lead to master cylinder issues. The best solution is to replace the faulty cylinder and bleed the entire brake system to remove air bubbles. You should also inspect for other worn components like brake hoses or calipers. Driving with a compromised brake system puts you and others at serious risk. Always have your brake system checked if you notice any decline in performance. Don't wait until your brakes fail to act. Number 4. Bad wheel bearings. Wheel bearings allow your wheels to spin with minimal friction, but over time, they can wear out or become damaged. Symptoms include a humming, rumbling, or grinding noise that gets louder with speed, especially when turning. If left unaddressed, a failing wheel bearing can cause the wheel to wobble or even detach while driving. This poses a major safety hazard, especially at highway speeds. If you suspect a bad bearing, get the wheel inspected by a mechanic immediately. Replacing a wheel bearing typically requires special tools and should be done by a professional. Catching the issue early can prevent damage to the hub, axle, and other suspension components. Driving with a faulty bearing also affects your steering and braking response. Prompt repairs will restore safe and smooth driving. Number 5. Steering clunking noise. A clunking noise when turning the steering wheel often signals worn suspension or steering components. Common causes include bad tie rod ends, ball joints, or a loose steering rack. These parts are crucial for maintaining proper alignment and control of your vehicle. If ignored, the issue can worsen and cause unpredictable steering behavior, especially at higher speeds or during sharp turns. You might also feel vibrations through the steering wheel or notice the car pulling to one side. Addressing the problem early prevents the need for more extensive suspension repairs. A mechanic will typically inspect the undercarriage and suspension linkages to pinpoint the fault. Replacing worn components and performing a wheel alignment afterward is the standard fix. Don't overlook steering issues, they directly impact your safety on the road. Number 6. Transmission slipping or jerking. When your car jerks or hesitates during gear changes or revs unusually high, it's likely your transmission is slipping. This could be due to low transmission fluid, dirty fluid, or worn internal components such as clutch packs. Automatic transmissions rely on fluid pressure to operate correctly, so fluid issues can quickly lead to serious problems. Start by checking the transmission fluid level and condition. If it's dark or burnt smelling, it needs changing. Topping it off with the right type of fluid can sometimes restore function. However, persistent slipping may indicate deeper mechanical faults that require professional repair. Ignoring this issue can result in total transmission failure, which is expensive to fix. Regular servicing and fluid changes are essential to prevent this. Pay attention to your car's shifting behavior to catch issues early. Number 7. Check engine light blinking. A solid check engine light usually means a minor issue, but a blinking one signals a serious problem, often a misfire that can damage the catalytic converter. Continuing to drive can cause overheating in the exhaust system and further mechanical damage. The best first step is to scan the error codes using an OBDII scanner, which will tell you which system is at fault. Common causes include a bad spark plug, faulty ignition coil, or a fuel delivery issue. In some cases, it could also be an emissions-related problem like a failing oxygen sensor. Once you identify the cause, replace the affected part and clear the code. If you're unsure, take the car to a professional to avoid making the problem worse. Acting early not only protects your car but also improves fuel economy and reduces emissions. Number 8. Uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear may seem like a minor issue, but it can point to deeper problems like poor wheel alignment, unbalanced tires, or worn suspension parts. Tires that wear unevenly reduce your vehicle's handling and braking performance. You might notice the car pulling to one side or feel vibration in the steering wheel. Visually inspect your tires regularly for bald spots, cupping, or excessive inner or outer edge wear. Getting a wheel alignment and tire rotation can often resolve this. If wear continues, have your suspension inspected for damaged shocks, struts, or bushings. Replacing tires prematurely can be costly, so it's better to fix the root cause. Proper inflation and regular alignment checks extend tire life and improve safety. Don't underestimate what your tires are telling you. Catching these car problems early can save you a lot of money and even your life. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Got questions or want us to cover another topic? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.